There was a time in my life I was running with debt. I mean, with debt, I was confused. I was depressed. I was scared. I was dejected. I don't know what words to use, but I know what it feels like being in debt because I've been there and it's really not something you even wish your enemy. Beyond you, you can't even control it. It's something very terrible. But in this video, I'm going to be showing you how I break free and I took control of my finances. Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name is Eunice. I'm sure welcome manager at Economy Investment. Are you feeling trapped by debt? Are you confused? Are you depressed? Make sure you watch this video to the end. So in this video, we are going to be learning how you have to break free and take financial control of your money. Having a business in 2022 as a street, which is daily collector in Nigeria, they call it Ajo. Started in the year 2022 and 2022 to 2023, it was all good. I was making money, everything was fine. Until 2024, I made, because money was coming, I didn't have a better knowledge, I didn't have a better understanding, I made a wrong investment. It cost me lot. My entire life was down, like, I didn't know what to do. I couldn't even pay staff. Everything was just as if the world was to end. Everything was just happening so fast. What is just on my shoulder? It was terrible. The pressure, the call, the shame, broke me. It broke. I felt my dream was over, like it's the end, but it's not. Now, first step to paying debt is knowing who you owe. Who are those that you are owing? How much are you owing them? Because sometimes you don't even know those you are owing and how much you are owing. Assumption might just be giving you confusion. Assumption might just be worsening everything. So make sure you know those that you are owing, because it gives you a clear control over that debt. You don't just assume that this knowing those you are owing and how much you have to pay gives you clarity, it gives you control, it gives you peace. So make sure you know those that you are owing and how much you are owing them. Next is creating a realistic plan. List out those that you are owing. I listed out those that I was owing, the smallest to the largest. I make sure I list it out. Yes, listing it out gives you this awareness so that you don't have to be assuming. Sometimes by listing it out, you get the actual money that you actually owe, because of the pressure, the calls, and sometimes what you are even owing is not up to what you are assuming in your head. So that's why you have to create a realistic and list it out, both the smallest to the largest. Then after you've listed it out, start with the small ones. Start paying the small ones first. Start with the small ones that you can afford. Just try as much as possible. And of course, while you are doing this, just have a side also that you actually that will be bringing money apart from your salary. If you're a business person, have a side also that will be bringing at least something at the end of the month, so you can be adding to what you already have and be paying those small debts, the small ones, before you start paying the large ones. Then draw a plan. Meet with those people you are owing a large amount of money. Tell them, this is what I will be giving you every month, or depends on your capacity, every week. You get, then every week, this is what I will be giving to you, or every month, this is what I will be giving to you. It helps you. It helps. It might look as if it's not working. It does, and it helps, because there's no way you can pay everything at once. You trying to get money to pay up everything at once, putting yourself under pressure. You keep putting yourself under pressure, which is not healthy, which is not advisable. Doing it this way, like listing it out and paying it like it helps you control your emotions, help you take control. Then cut off unnecessary spending and living. Reduce your spend, as well as subscription, eating out, entry cab. Those, instead of taking cab, take a bus. Those ones that you think they don't matter, it matters, it can't. It helps. Things that that are not really that necessary. Even when I was paying those debts, even down to food, I couldn't really stock up my fridge. Not because per se that I don't have the money, but because I have something more important. So I had to cut up so many things. Help, and it works. I can tell you that for free, that it works. And this is what helps me to clear up my debt. This thing I'm just telling you now, if you apply it, it will help you. Forget all this giving grammar. Just do what I'm telling you. If you are trying to get everything at once, it drains you. And don't ever take a note to pay debt. You are just like you are adding petrol and gas together. Don't ever take a note to pay debt. I made that mistake and it's terrifying. Don't ever do it. And another thing is, don't run away. Try as much as possible to pay those that you are owing. Don't try to run away. Running away is not an option and it's not advisable. It's not even good. It's not biblical. You know that face it. Face it. Some of these people might be very insultive and all of that, and you can't even blame them because you are owing them. It's their money. All you should just be focusing on, how can I pay this debt? Leave every distraction. Whatever people are saying, because definitely there will be mockery. Hey, there will be insult upon insult. But you just have to stay focused on the business you're doing or whatever you're doing that is generating you income to pay that debt. That's where your mind should be. How can I pay, get money to pay this debt? Trying to pay everything at once, it will not work. It will not work. It does not work that way. Most importantly, God. Like, make sure you make God your backup. God is the one that can set you free. At this point where you are paying debt, the depression might just set in into so many things. That's why you need to have God on your side. I couldn't even sleep at night because of the pressure. I could not sleep, but the word of the Lord was what keeps me going. Stay consistent. That isn't just about the speed, it's about the consistency, the discipline and commitment you put in. All those that are holding, if they see your effort and your resilience and your commitment, the tension reduces. Yes, the tension reduces. They start pulling, there's a level of assurance that this person, if this person can pay this, that means this person will. You get what I'm saying. So don't run away, don't kill yourself. Most of these entrepreneurs you see, they were once in your shoe. I was in that shoe too. Paying debt can be very, 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 very terrifying, very bad experience. But guess what? It's a lesson. What I've learned, what that debt has taught me. There's no way I can use my business money to pay my personal bills because I've learned, and it's unfortunate I have to learn the hard way. You get what I'm Stay true and stay consistent. God helping you in Jesus' name. If you are debt free, let me know in the comment section how you manage to pay your debt. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to my YouTube channel. See you again in my next video.